Okay, for the first question is, by using matrix division method, calculate the value of x and y for the following system of linear equations. So for the next slide, I will show you the calculation. So for first thing first, you need to change or convert the system linear equation to matrix form, which is in order for you to use the matrix inverse method. So step two is you need to find the x and y, which is in the use of 1 per determine. For the determine, you just insert the number from the matrix form, which is 2 multiplied with 1 and minus negative 3 multiplied with 4. And after that, you need to do the matrix bracket, which is 1, 3, negative 4, and 2. In the bracket, you need to transfer the position, which is like I write on the whiteboard, which is 1, 2, and 3. 1, we change with 2, so it will be 1 and 2. Second is 3 and negative 4. So for 3, you don't need to do the negative symbols because on the equation it's already negative, and when we convert to the this form, negative will be positive. So after that, you will find the determinant is 14. And then you just insert the number, the matrix bracket with the bracket on the right side, which is 2 and 18. So you just insert the number, which is like I write on the whiteboard, which is 1, 2, and 3. 1, we change with 2, so it will be 1 and 2. Second is 3 and negative 4. So for 3, you don't need to do the negative symbols because on the equation it's already negative, and when we convert to the this form, negative will be positive. So after that, you will find the determinant is 14. And then you just insert the number, the matrix bracket with the bracket on the right side, which is 2 and 18. So you just insert the number. So lastly, you will find the answer, which is it will be 56 and 28. So after that, you will multiply the 1 per determine, multiply with 56 and 28. And then you will get the answer 4 and 2. So x equal to 4 and y equal to 2. Thank you for me.
Hi, my name is Sarah Atila. I want to present about how to set up metric equation and how to determine in a metric equation. First question of question 2 is show the information above in the form of metric equation. Okay, this is how I do my calculation about how I set up my metric equation. First, I I make sure all of the coefficient in one metric, and then I uh, Okay, the second question is then by using Kramer rule, find the number of transistor, resistor, and capacitor used per day for type A, type B, and type C. Okay, the first one we need to find the determinant. Okay, how I do is I use the importer formula is A D minus B C. Okay, first we need to if we want to get the as I written at here is 1 in bracket 4, 5, 5, and 6. Okay, how we want to get that equation? Okay, using the technique, we if we the first row at determinant is we call scalar multiplier. Okay, how to get the determinant? The first row and column of determinant, which is 1, we need to multiply by using the important formula AD minus BC. Then the second one we take negative 2 and use the important the formula 2, 5, 3, and 6. Okay, then we go to the next step. The scalar multiplier number is out in front of the formula, and we take the formula for we known as A, 5B, 5C, and 6 is D. Okay, first we put the scalar multiplier number at the in front, then we use the formula AD minus BC. As I write it at here, one is a scalar multiplier, and 4 is A, 6 is D, minus B, and multiply by C. Okay, the same technique used in the next column vector and the third column vector. Okay, this is how we want to find determinant x. Okay, you need to remember the first column is column x, the second column is column y, and the third column is column z. Okay, this is we want to find the determinant of x. So we need to put the result given at the previous slide, at the first slide, to the uh, column x. So we take the first row and the first column, which is the scalar multiplier number is 26. Then we do as the same technique as past. Then okay, so look at the second step. The third step is 26. We need to multiply by use the formula AD minus BC. The same as the previous slide for A multiplied by D minus B multiplied by C. And same as the second column vector and the third column vector. Look at the answer that I got. Negative 26 plus 18 and plus 6. Then I calculate it with my calculator and we got negative 2. Okay, this is how we want to find determinant of y. Same at the previous slide, we need to put the result given at the y column Then as I written at here, one is scalar multiplier. Okay. One is the scalar multiplier. Then we use the same formula AD minus BC. Then we put the scalar multiplier in front of the formula. Then we fill the formula with the the equation that we used. Okay, as I got at here is negative 9 plus 78 and minus 72. Okay, what I got for determinant of y is negative 3. Okay, this is how we need to find the determinant of z. We need to put the last result at the z column. Then we use 1, 2, and 26 as the scalar number in front of the column vector. Then we use the same technique. We close the first column and first row. Then we took the number the number uh, the number and put in the column vector. Okay, this is what I calculate in to this question. Then I got negative 2 plus 48 minus 52. Then I calculate with my calculator. Then I got negative 6. Then the determinant of z is negative 6. Okay, the last one, we need to find x. X, y, and z. So how we want to find x, y, and z? This is how we can do to find the x, y, and z. Okay, the first one, we need to find x. So we divide the x divide by d, and we got the x. So as I write in there, the x is negative 2 and d is determinant is negative 1. Then we divide it and we get x as 2. Then the second one is y. How we want to get y? We divide the determinant y by divide by determinant. Then I got determinant y is negative 3 and determinant is negative 1. So I got y as 3. Then the last one is z. We need to find z. So I got determine z is negative 6 and I got divide by determinant is negative 1 and I got y as 6. Then to simplify, x is 2, y 3 and y is 6. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Izati from Get 2A from Group 2 and I will explain about question 3. So first we have to read the question and the information given. So here AB equal to A, AO equal to 6B and AP ratio to OP is 2:1. So first we have to find OB. So based on information given, we know that AB is 2A and AO is 6B. To find OB, we have to find a way to get from O to B. So we can use OA plus AB. So OA plus AB. So based on this information, AO is 6B. So this one is OA. So we just have to invert it. So it becomes negative 6B plus AB, which is plus 2A. For question B, AP. So we know AP is ratio to OP, which is 2:1. So to find AP, we have to find OA again. So we can use AB plus BO plus OP. So AB plus BO plus OP. So we just have to write the answer. So AB is 2A. BO, we can use this one from question A. So we just have to invert it again and it will become plus 6B minus 2A. OP is located at center of O and A. So we have to write as 1/3 of OA since it has 3 components here. So we just have to write like this and OA, which is negative 6B. And then we have to write this back again to A. Then we have to multiply in this. So it will be negative 2B. So at the end we will add all, which is 2A minus 2A, which is 0, and 6 minus 2 is 4B. For C, we have to find PB. So as we know, we can use as PA plus AB. So I write it down here, PA plus AB, which is negative 4B plus 2A. That's all from me. Thank you.